I absolutely love Asian cuisine, and today I was craving something warm, comforting, and brothy. So we are making ramen completely from scratch. First, I added chicken to a pot of water to make our broth. I also add a bay leaf, and you can add some onion and carrot if you want an even richer flavor. And of course, season with salt to taste. At the same time, I put the eggs on a boil. I want the yolks to be nice and runny, so I cook them for about 6 minutes in boiling water. Meanwhile, let's prepare all the other ingredients. I finely chop some garlic, a little bit of chili pepper. I also chop some onion and take a few slices of bacon. If you don't want to miss more easy, interesting and healthy recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The best part is that all of these recipes are homemade, so you know exactly what goes into your food. Once the eggs are done, put them in cold water. This will make them easier to peel. Now I fry the bacon in a dry pan until it's golden and crispy. Then I add a little vegetable oil to the pan and saute the garlic. After a little while, I add the onion, followed by some grated ginger. By the way, I had some frozen grated ginger. If you love making Asian-inspired dishes, this is something you will use again and again, so I definitely recommend getting some. First, I add a little gochujang paste, then some oyster sauce and a little soy sauce. I don't add any more salt because the sauces and the broth already have plenty of flavor. Now let's get noodles. Mine came with a few sauce packets, but I'm not going to use them in this recipe. I cook the noodles, then rinse them under cold water so they don't overcook and keep a nice texture. And now for the best part. Let's put our ramen together. I add our stir-fried mixture to a bowl, then the noodles, the crispy bacon, and pour the hot broth over everything. Cut the peeled boiled egg in half and then add it to the bowl. And that's it. Give everything a little mix. It's honestly magic. Just look at how beautiful it looks. And most importantly, it tastes absolutely amazing. What I love the most is that you can control all the ingredients and the amount of salt, so you can make the ramen exactly the way you like it.